Okay, we start with exercise 4.3, question number 2. Find the root by the formula method. In that, the third question, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, and c is equal to 3. This is b and this is c. Therefore, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Or directly also we can put this into the formula. That is, alpha is equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a. Now root d is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. So it is minus 4 root 3 plus b square. So it is 4 root 3 square minus 4. A is equal to 4 and c, it is 3 upon 2a. So it is minus 4 root 3 plus square of this. So 4 4s are 16 and root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 16 3s are 48 and this is 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 upon 4 2s are 8. So it is minus 4 root 3. This is 0. Okay. So upon 8. 4 2s are 8. So it is minus root 3 by 2. Alpha and beta both. Because d is equal to 0. Okay. So this is where you can solve question number 2. All the sums. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the root of the following equation. In that first one, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. First we have to simplify this and form the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So first take LCM. So it is x square minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is x square minus 1 and x will multiply over here. So it is 3x. So x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your equation. Okay. Now, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Okay. So, alpha is equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a minus b plus root d, that is a b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b, so it becomes plus 3 plus root b square minus 3 square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is 3 plus minus 3 square, it is 9, minus 4 ones are 4, but this is minus minus becomes plus upon 2. So therefore, alpha is equal to, okay. Similarly, here we can write about beta minus b minus root d upon 2a. So it is minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this is beta is equal to 3 minus 3 square minus 4ac upon 2a. So beta is equal to 3 minus okay. So here alpha it is 3 plus 9 plus 4 13 upon 2 and beta is equal to 3 minus root 13 upon 2. These are our two roots. Okay. Similarly, if we start the second one, one upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. And in bracket it is given that x is not equal to minus 4 and minus 7. Okay. So first we have to take LCM, that is x plus 4 and x minus 7 both will be the LCM. This will multiply over here, x minus 7 then minus x plus 4 is equal to x minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon, open this bracket, so x will multiply with x and 7, so it is x square minus 7x plus 4 x and plus minus 28. Simplify this, x cancel, so minus 11 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. See, here also we can simplify. Both the numbers in the numerator are same. So 11 ones are 11 ones are. So that is minus 1. Now 30 will multiply over here. And 1 with that, the denominator x square minus 3x minus 28. Cross multiplication. Okay. So here minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. So therefore, x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 13 is equal to 0. So therefore, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. And then rest of the process is same. Okay. So you can finish now alpha and beta by the formula. Okay. So now we switch over to question number 4. So question 4. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. So here let the present age of Rahman be x years. See, in the question, if it is asked that find his present age, then we have to assume that. Okay, if present age is x, then before 3 years what will be his age? So therefore before 3 years age is, present age is x, so before 3 years it will be x minus 3 years, and after 5 years his age is, will be, okay, it is x plus 5 years, and the sum of the reciprocal of these two, so it is 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. So now we have to simplify this. Similar to this question, take LCM x minus 3 and x plus 5. So it is x plus 5 plus x minus 3. It is x plus 5 plus x minus 3 upon, multiply this x with these two. So x into x, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 5 is a 15. This is 2x, x plus x 2x plus 2 upon x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. Multiply this 3 over here, so 3 2s are 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Now these two terms we have to shift on the other side, so x square plus 2x minus 15 plus 6x, minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 and minus 6, so minus 21 is equal to 0. Now by alpha and beta, that is the formula method, we can find out the root. If any negative number comes, then we can say it is not possible because the age is not in the negative number. Okay, so this is about the fourth question. Now fifth one. Just we will make the equations only, okay? So then rest of the things you can finish. In the class test, the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So Shefali is the name of a girl who got total 30 marks in two subjects together. It is a maths and English. Had she got 2 marks more than mathematics and 3 marks more in English, means suppose atyare she got x marks in mathematics, then 2 marks will be more than that. Okay, so it will be, we can say, x plus 2. Okay, now so suppose we can say here she got x marks in the mathematics, okay, 2 marks more in mathematics, that means x plus 2, and in English 3 marks less, so that means maybe we will consider the product of their marks would be 210. Find her marks in a 2 subjects. Okay, so anyone we assume now, okay, let Shefali gets x marks in maths, okay, and sum of the 2 marks is 30. So therefore Shefali gets 30 minus x, in English. If she get 2 marks more in maths, that is, we can say x plus 2 marks. Okay, and 3 marks less in English, she get 3 marks less in English, that is 30 minus x minus 3, so it is 27 minus x marks. Now product of these 2 marks is 210, so that is x plus 2 and 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now expand this, multiply x with these 2 numbers, so 27x minus x square, 27 2s are 54 minus 2x So it is minus x square. 27 minus 2, so it is 25x plus 54 is equal to 210. Now x square is negative, so we have to switch over to right side. So it is x square minus 25x minus 54 plus 210 is equal to 0. So it is x square minus 25x plus, from this 54 we have to minus. So it is 6 okay 156. Further you have to complete this by the formula method. Okay, so this is the fifth question. Next, it is sixth one. The diagonal of the rectangle filled is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So suppose આપણે આવી રીતે consider કરીએ કે this is a rectangle, this is a diagonal. Okay, suppose it is ABCD. AB is a breadth, BC is a length, and AC is a diagonal. So shorter side is this one. Suppose it is x, 60 meter more than the shorter side. Diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Okay. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, means this is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Okay. Find the side of the field. Okay. So here in triangle ABC, let AB is equal to x. Therefore, BC is equal to x plus 30 and AC is equal to x plus 60. According to Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, that is x plus 60, AB square x square, and BC square x plus 30 square. This is x square A square plus 2AB plus B square. So 62 is 120x plus 3600 is equal to x square plus x square plus 32 is 60x plus 900. 1x square is cancelled. These two terms we have to shift on the right side. So it is x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus plus 60 minus 120 minus 60x and minus 900 we have to cancel, subtract. So it is 009. Okay, 2700. Okay, A, B and C. Okay, so alpha and beta we have to find out by the formula method. Clear? Next, seventh, the difference of the square of the two number is 180. Now this is little bit complicated question. The difference of the square of the two number is 180. Okay, એટલે બે નંબર્સ આપેલા છે એમના સ્ક્વેર નો ડિફરન્સ 180 છે. એટલે એક નંબર સપોઝ એ x હોય તેનો સ્ક્વેર કેટલો થશે x સ્ક્વેર. Okay, and second will be its square will be 180 minus x square. The square of the smaller number is 8 times than the larger number. Find two numbers. Okay, तो અહીંયા લઈએ પહેલા, let the larger number be x. Okay, So therefore its square is x square. Why we have select larger number? Because the comparison of the square of the smaller number is given with the larger number, not with its square. Okay, so square of smaller number એ કેટલો હશે કે difference of the square of the two number is 180. બરાબર, તો એમાંથી 180 માંથી first larger number ને remove કરી નાખીએ અને square ને minus કરીએ તો it will give the square of the smaller number. Okay, now the difference of the square of the two number is 180. If first number, larger number is x, its square is x square, so smaller number square will be 180 minus x square. Okay, the square of the smaller number, so that is 180 minus x square. Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. એટલે larger number શું છે x, આને 8 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો both will be equal. So it is આ નેગેટિવ જરા સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ. So it is 8x plus x square minus 180 is equal to 0. So it is x square plus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. A, B and C. Okay, so rest part you have to finish by the formula method. 8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. Okay, so distance is 360 km with a uniform speed. If the speed has been 5 km per hour more, કે routine speed છે એના કરતા એની speed 5 km વધારે છે, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. એટલે પહેલા સપોઝ આપણે કહીએ કે x km per hour ની સ્પીડ છે એમાં 360 km કવર કરતા એનો ટાઈમ t1 લાગતો સપોઝ. Okay, hours. Now if the speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour, then the time will be taken 1 hour less. T2 will be less than T1 by 1 hour. Find the speed of the train. तो यहाँ assume कर लेंगे. Let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Therefore, the new speed of a train will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Okay, now speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is suppose x, distance to fix है 360 and timing will be t1. So t1 is equal to 360 upon x. This is the first one. Similarly, speed is equal to distance upon time for the new speed. So it is x plus 5 is equal to distance same 360 and timing will be t2. So t2 is equal to 360 upon x plus 5. This is the second equation. Okay, now difference between these two is 1 hour. Okay, કે આ જે ઓરિજિનલ સ્પીડ ઉપર જતી હતી ટ્રેન અને સ્પીડ વધારી દઈએ તો આમાં 1 કલાક ઓછો લાગે. That means t1 is greater than t2 by 1. So therefore we can say here t1 minus t2 is equal to 1. So t1 is equal to what? 360 upon x minus LCM x into x plus 5. 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x is equal to 1. This is 360x plus 18, okay, minus 360x upon x square plus 5x. So 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. So therefore x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. A, B, C, x, alpha and beta, you can find it from this equation. Okay. Next, ninth one. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3/8 hours. એટલે બે પાઇપ એક સાથે ચાલુ કરીએ કે જેના ડાયામીટર્સ અલગ-અલગ છે પાઇપના. ઓકે, એકનો ડાયામીટર ઓછો છે, એકનો વધારે છે. If both will start together, it will fill the tank by 9 integers 3/8 hours. The tap of a larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. Separately, okay? The tap with a larger diameter takes 10 hours less, okay? Larger diameter એકલું ચાલે તો એને 10 કલાક ઓછા લાગે છે કે બધા વોટર ફ્લો થશે then the smaller one. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. તો આમાં લઈએ કે let the time taken by smaller diameter pipe to fill tank separately be x hours. Therefore, time taken by larger diameter will be x plus 10 hours. Okay, sorry, here it will be larger diameter and here time taken by smaller diameter, because larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Okay, now both will together, that means x into x plus 10, both will work together, then they will fill the tank in a 9 integer 3/8. So 9 8s are 72 plus 3, 75/8. This is x square plus 10x. 8 multiply here, so 8x square plus 80x minus 75 is equal to 0. A, B and C. Okay, so alpha and beta you can find. Now question number 10. So we will stop over here. Okay, only 2 questions, last 2 you have to try yourself, 10 and 11. If you are not able, then next time we will finish this one as well as the next exercise also. Okay, so till that, thank you very much. Okay, and maybe one more extra lecture I will fill it with that is additionally I will send it to you, okay, in the video form only, so that will be easier for you, and so we can continue with the next chapter. Thank you very much for today.